Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a vegetarian dish. Wait a minute, vegetarian? Aren't cows vegetarians? We got a beautiful display of vegetarian dishes here. We got the tempeh, the tofu, hummus. We got cabbage, arugula, kale, which I'm going to be using tonight, and wine, of course. Okay, let's at it.
Okay, we're going to be blanching the kale, of course, and I just want to give you a little close-up of this beautiful tempeh. Here, take a screenshot of that, and then look at this. This is our Durango tempeh. Very nice. And then, of course, radish, onions, hummus, bamboo shoots, hearts of palm, artichoke hearts, and then, of course, peppers. And then we're going to make a beautiful little ginger, lemon, lime, garlic dressing for it all. Okay, let's go over here.
Safflower oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, garlic, lemon, lime, ginger, and then of course maple syrup. Add cayenne pepper and cinnamon, and then shake it up and display. Simple 3-bean salad. We have black beans, dark red kidney beans, and great northern white beans. And then of course add garlic, ginger, onions, and a little dressing, and you're ready to go. And on our bed of kale, we're going to put onions, radish, the tempeh, and then we're going to get our artichoke hearts, bamboo shoots, peppers, and our hearts of palms. And then we're going to put the dressing on it, just drizzle it on, and looking good. And before we do a flyby, I just wanted to show you how beautiful this plate looks. Fantastic. It's summer. Eat healthy. We have hummus with pita bread, our triple bean salad with lemon lime, garlic ginger, and a little dressing. And then of course our beautiful plate of tempeh with a kale salad and all the extras. Okay, people, take care of yourselves. Be healthy. Dog days are upon us. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.